I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Chrome base and plugging in a keyboard and mouse so you can interact immediately. Sign in with your Google account. This syncs bookmarks, extensions, and settings. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and let Chrome OS check for updates. Updates ensure compatibility and security. If you need advanced tools, enable developer options, but make sure to understand the risks. These steps get you from zero to a ready, personalized Chrome base environment quickly and safely. You now customize the interface and install what you need. Open the Web Store or Play Store to install productivity and web apps. Prioritize lightweight PWA versions when available. Once apps are installed, pin them to the shelf and group related apps into folders to reduce clutter. Adjust display scaling and input methods to match your monitor and keyboard preferences, and enable accessibility features if they improve efficiency. These choices speed daily use and make multitasking on your Chrome base practical and comfortable. You finish by enabling advanced features and knowing how to recover when things go wrong. Enable Linux, Crostini, to run desktop apps. Allocate enough disk space and enable GPU support for heavier workloads. Backup important files to Google Drive before making major changes. If problems persist, try a power wash to reset settings and only re-image the OS after hardware diagnostics. If issues remain, consult system logs to identify failures. This methodical approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.